Hi, I'm Connor Lee. I'm 28 years old. I'm from Montreal, Canada. For work, I'm a salesman. I'm really lucky because I get to travel the world. I have friends all over the world. Here, look. This is my friend Gabriel and his sister, Sarah. He's 25 years old and she is 26. He's from California. He's a tour guide and he lives in Bolivia. This is him in a really small plane. He does amazing things for his job every day. Here are some pictures of him last week. Here he is on Monday, scuba diving. Here he is on Tuesday, hiking. On Wednesday, here he is in the jungle. On Thursday, playing with some animals. Here he is Friday, back in La Paz. This is Gabe with his two sisters, Sarah and Molly. They are on vacation in Colombia. I am excited to visit him soon. Here's another friend of mine. Her name is Cecilia. She is 29 years old. Cecilia is from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. She is a journalist there. Cecilia loves her cat, Pedro. And she loves her cell phone. She is a journalist, so she's always on Twitter. Cecilia is also a very good photographer. These are pictures from a carnival party. She's a very good friend. She likes to smile. Here's my old friend, Sam. He is 22 years old. He's from Washington, D.C., the capital of the United States. But his family is from Liberia, West Africa. Sam is in college and also a poet. Here's another friend. Her name's Emily, and she is 23 years old. And that's her new puppy, Marcus. Emily's from London, England. She's in college and she is studying history. And this is my friend Trevor. He's 27 years old. He's from Canada, but he lives in New York City now. Trevor is an actor. Here he is with his team last Sunday. Here's the trophy. Trevor is very funny. He's a good friend. Here's my friend Antonio. He's from Florence, Italy. Antonio's from Italy, but he works with me in Montreal. He's 25 years old. These are some of my friends. I'm really lucky.